Experience the touch of class, the taste of liquid gold. Here is how to create the foundation of romance, or clarified butter. Use 4 pounds of unsalted butter. Use a large heavy pot. Bring butter to boil. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 4 hours or till golden. Remove from stove, strain it. Ghee does not need refrigeration. Clarified butter, called ghee, is the very essence of butter. It takes about 4 hours of slow cooking to purify 4 pounds of butter. Purify or clarify means to fully evaporate the water and to separate the milk solids from the butter. People call it liquid gold for its gorgeous golden color. Besides the color, it has an exquisite flavor, a warm, inviting aroma, and high medicinal values. It is an ideal medium for cooking, and it will add a wonderful flavor to your dishes. Ghee will not burn and smoke easily because all the impurities have been removed from it. According to Ayurvedic medicine, ghee in moderation will not increase the cholesterol level in your blood. It will not clog your liver, but strengthen it. According to the Ayurvedic medicine, ghee will feed your brain, nerve, and reproductive systems. It will empower your digestive system and strengthen body and mind. To find out more how to make the ghee, which is perfect for young and old, go to the page 36 of Romancing the Stove by Samahria Ramsen. Try it. You will love it.